are going to have a drop test for the 12 kilowatt hybrid solar inverter. This machine is for the vibrating equipment. It will typically vibrating for continuously 30 minutes. Later, I will take another video to show you. Now we are going to have the drop test. The height from here to the floor is 1 meter. Okay, let's conduct the drop test. Okay, the drop test is done. Now we are going to take this solar inverter for connecting the power, and then we will we'll check everything about it. It's okay. After this test, you will understand this model can withstand a long distance transportation. You can see the foam packaging. That's why it can withstand the drop test. You can see all terminals are in good condition. No scratch, no broken. Now we turn on the solar inverter. You can see everything is passed. Okay, the drop test is done here. Thank you for your watching. Have a nice day.